Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to create ringtones for iPhone or iOS device. Basically you can use it on iPhones or your iPads or iPods, whatever you feel like. Now once we create it, then we will transfer it onto an iPhone. So I use Goldwave. So this software gives me the flexibility of editing and saving the file into whatever format I want. So let's go ahead and first see where you can get this from. So once you go on to that website, you'll find buy and download option. Now click on download. Now the first option over here, download Goldwave 6.3.1, click on that and then it'll get downloaded onto your computer. So and then go ahead and install it. Now the difference between a paid version and the evaluation version is the evaluation version has all the features, but it is limited to 2500 commands in total. After that it'll stop working. It'll keep giving you messages to buy it after every 200 clicks. So once you open it, a timer will be set for 200 clicks. So once 200 clicks gets over, every time you use it, it'll keep telling you to buy, to purchase it. This is an evaluation version. You close the software, open it up again, the 200 clicks gets reset. But as soon as it reaches 2500 clicks altogether, the software will stop working. But I don't think you'll be able to finish that much if you're just using it to create ringtones. So let's go ahead and see what we can do with this. So let's go ahead and open up the software. Now I've already installed it. Now once you open it up, then you'll get this message, the introduction message. This tells you clearly the limitation in an evaluation version, which is 200 commands each session, and in total 2500 commands. After that you'll have to purchase it. If not, just don't use it. So we'll close this window. Now this is how Goldwave looks like. So what I'll do is I'll open a file. So I'll go into the ringtone file, and now these are ringtones that I have downloaded online. So I can't really put any music file over here and show you how to edit that, because that will be against some privacy policy somewhere. So I can't do that, but I will use one of the ringtones over here. So I'll use this. Now one thing you need to keep in mind is you have to keep the ringtone length below 40 seconds. So if it goes beyond 40 seconds, iTunes will not allow you to put that ringtone into your iPhone. So that's the only limitation. So now once you open up the file, it'll come up like this. Now this is an MP3 file. So you can see it over here. It's an MP3 file. Let me play that for you. Okay, pretty loud. Let me just bring the volume down. Okay, so now this gives me the option of editing it. Like if this is the complete song, I just need this much. I can choose that much, copy, and then new. So you have an option saying new. I just click on that and it creates a new file altogether. I don't have to edit it or do anything with this file. I can just leave it alone. I've taken out the part that I want. Let me play that. So that's the part I want. So now I'll go into file, save as. Let me bring that up. Okay, so save as. Now it will give me option untitled 1 MP3. Now I don't want to save it as MP3 because I need a iOS compatible version. So I'll go here and then choose M4A. Choose M4A and save it. So it's saved. That's it. That's all that I have to do. Now once it's saved, okay, can't find it. Okay, it's here. So this is the file. Now all that you have to do is change the M4A to M4R. So this is M4 audio. Now I have to create a M4 ringtone. So I just rename it to M4R and save it. Now when I do that, you'll get this message. If you change the file extension, the file might become unstable. So yes, I am sure. Hit yes and it's done. Now all I have to do is open up iTunes. Now I'll go into my iPhone. Okay, no, I don't want to download. Go into my iPhone, and over here I get an option called tones. I click on tones. Now I'll just drag this file from here and put it over here. That's it. It's that easy and it's done. Now I'll just go to the iPhone and do a sync. Okay, here, sync. And it's done. So that's all that I have to do. Now the ringtone is in my phone. Now what I need to do is set the ringtone on the phone. So let's go ahead and take a look at the phone itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and set the ringtone. Let's see if it's in here. Now we go into settings, we go into sounds, and then we'll go into ringtones. Now the one that we created, the xylophone one, it's here. Let's try playing it. Okay, so it's done. So it's that easy. Now the good thing is it can be set on anything like your ringtone, your notification tones, whatever. So you choose whatever, it'll be visible over here. So you see that the xylophone one is here. So no matter what option, you can choose any, and then you can choose the, no, not this one here. So the xylophone option is there. So the good part about this is it's so easy. You can just do it like that. You don't have to go into iTunes and then convert a file. First of all, you have to edit a file, make it into a 40 seconds file, and then convert it and then transfer it, and all these problems. You don't have to go through all that. A third party helps you. A third party software helps you in doing that in a easier way. So that's how you can create and transfer ringtones onto an iPhone. This can be done on an iPod or iPad or whatever iOS device which allows you to do all this. You can do this on that too. So that's it for this video. If you want me to show you how to do it through iTunes, I'll show you that also later on. But even in that, the editing process will involve a third-party software. So you're going to come around buying or using another third-party software to edit. So it's a longer way. So I do not prefer it. But if you want me to make a video on that, I will do that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and do comment. And I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.